टेस्टिंग एजुकेशन के MCQs सीरीज़ में आपको वेलकम करता हूं। लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने हेल्थ फिजिकल एजुकेशन एंड स्पोर्ट्स साइंस के टॉपिक ह्यूमन एनाटॉमी एंड एक्सरसाइज फिजियोलॉजी के 250 MCQs हमने कंप्लीट किया था। आज इससे आगे हम फर्दर कंटिन्यू करेंगे। तो आज के हमारे पास MCQs नंबर 1 है, वो है which is the source of separate of typhoid? Answer, bacteria. Next question. Due to the failure of which organ diabetes occur? Answer, pancreas. Next question. Number of bone in human body is? Answer, 206. Next question. Causes of measles is? Answer, virus. Next. Causes of smallpox is? Answer, virus. Next. What is the route of transmission? Answer, bacteria. Next question. Type of bicep muscles are? Answer, voluntary muscles. Next question. If someone feels difficulty to see at long distance clearly, disease is called? Answer, myopia. Next question. If someone feels difficulty to see at short distance clearly, disease is called? Answer, hypermetropia. Next question. Does physical growth mean increase in weight, height and size? Answer, true. Next question. The ratio of water fluid in human body is? Answer, 70%. Next question. Causes of dehydration is? Answer, loss of salt and water. Next question. The smallest part of human body is called? Answer, cell. Next question. To which part of body myosin and actin are connected? Answer, muscles and bones. Next question. Which keep water level maintained in human body? Answer, kidney. Next question. In which part of body muscle membrane is found? Answer, respiratory. Next question. Study of human body structure is called? Answer, anatomy. Next. The study about the function of human body is called? Answer, physiology. Next question. The study of cell in human body is called? Answer, cytology. Next question. The study of bone and joint in human body is called? Answer, osteology. Next question. The study of muscle is called? Answer, mycology. Next question. The study of the organ of viscera is called? Answer, splenomegaly. Next question. The study of nervous system is called? Answer, neurology. Next question. Which system control the vertebral column is? Answer, nervous system. Next question. The effect of exercise on blood and heart? Answer, change in heart size, decrease in heart rate, change in blood volume and hemoglobin content, change in capillary density and hypertrophy. Answer, all of these. Next question. The effect of exercise on respiratory system is? Answer, maximum ventilation increase in ventilation efficiency, lungs volume is more in trained athlete. Trained athlete have longer diffusion capacity at rest and during exercise. Answer, all of these. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास है, A unit of energy equal to amount of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 gram of water to 1 degree centigrade is called answer calories. Next question, cell was discovered in the year answer 1665. Next question, balance and weight of human body are set by answer skeletal system. Next question, blood circulation in whole body is called circulatory system. Next question, human organ are tuned answer excretory system. Next question, human body is beautiful by answer skeletal system. Next question, food is digested and become a part of our body answer digestive system. Next question, voluntary and involuntary movement occur answer nervous system. Next question, force and energy are provided to human body answer digestive system. Next question, digested food become a part of our body answer digestive system. Next question, arteries and veins join each other answer capillaries. Next question, biggest artery of human body is answer aorta. Next question, food particles and gases are interchanged answer osmosis. Next question, tube duct which take purify blood from lungs answer pulmonary veins. Next question, tube which take blood to the liver answer portal veins. Next question, ATP is stored in human body in which answer muscles. ATP का जो एब्रीवेशन है वो है एड्रेनलिन ट्राइफॉस्फेट. Next question, fastest source of energy is answer ATP. Taking out muscle from any part of body for analysis is called answer biopsy. Smallest unit of muscles fiber is called answer sarcoma. Next question, aerobic increase capacity is called answer endurance. Next question, aerobic capacity produce answer anaerobic glycolysis. Next question, lactic acid is produced by burning of answer anaerobic glycolysis. Next question, purpose of warm up is answer increase body and muscles temperature. Next question, duration of aerobic exercise is answer long duration. आज के हमारे 50 MCQs कंप्लीट हो गए. इससे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंशाल्लाह आपसे मुलाकात होगी. अल्लाह हाफिज़.